Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I prepare leftover jollof rice with potato chips. So guys can see the potato chips. I've already peel it and slice it, and this is my leftover jollof rice. The leftover jollof rice is a food that you cook overnight and keep in the fridge. So when you want to eat it, call it leftover rice. It's not a fresh food that you just prepare. I prepared it yesterday, keep in the fridge, well cover and put it in the fridge. So now I want to take some meat and warm it and eat it with potato chips. That is how I call it leftover jollof rice. So you can see the only thing I will do now, I'll put my chips in the fryer to fry. Before I put it in the fryer, I'll sprinkle salt on it. Just put on it. Already on the fryer. Now pour it. So when the chips is fried, I'll now go and put my leftover jollof rice in the microwave and microwave it. So I'll dish sunny side and clean it. It's okay. So I'll now cover the rest. So I'll clean this one now and microwave it. So guys can see I've cleaned it, put it in microwave. This is my microwave. Now cover it and put, I have to set it like this and allow it to hot. So guys, let's check our chips. It's set. So let's go back to microwave. Let's check our jollof rice. Wow. It's hot. So now remove the clean. It's very, very hot. Wow. So guys can see the leftover jollof rice with chips. Can see how yummy it is. So the leftover doesn't mean that it's spoiled. It's the food that I prepared yesterday. It's not today's food. I prepared it yesterday and kept in the fridge. That's why I call it leftover. But it's still there fresh. As I dish it, warm it, it's very yummy. So guys can see it with potato chips.
And it's going to look very sumptuous.
So guys can see it. So if you want to put any protein as a day like this, you can put any protein you like. You can put chicken, goat meat, fish, anything, any protein you like. You can put it by the side. Even salad, if you want salad also, you can put salad by the side. But I just want it like this, very simple. So that is all for leftover jollof rice and potato chips. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, comment for it. So I'll show you how yummy it is. Wow, can see?
So
I see my brother enjoying the leftover jollof rice with fried potato chips.
yes,
It's very yummy.
whenever we have leftover fried jollof rice, we can fry some potato chips and add it. It goes very well. My sister is taking care of you. Very yummy.
Wow.
In
So
fact, this one is somehow side dish of food. It's going together very well. Very good combination. How did you even come about this combination?
it's very yummy food, and it's very, very sweet as you are eating itself. The thing is hungry me. So thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my
Yes, make sure you
channel.
subscribe to the channel.
Comment for me.
This is the marriage
And share
woman.
it to your
It's a
loved
very
one.
sumptuous meal. You are going to, when you taste it, it's going to make you look very healthy.
Yes, you know, somehow good about this cooking channel is good for women to know how to prepare a lot of food for their family.
And they are
Like sometimes this jollof rice could have been wasted, but when you combine, it's not enough. The portion is not enough. But as you combine the two now, it becomes a full meal, plate of meal, you know.
So see you